creative people, let me ask you a question. Do you like fish? Yeah, I'm not much of a big fan of them either, but they're fun to paint. So today I'm going to show you how to paint watercolour fish. You're going to need some black watercolour, a large and a small round brush, and a fine point brush or a rigger. You're going to start with your large round brush and you're going to mix up a light wet grey. You'll need a fair bit of water on your brush and then dip the tip into the thick black watercolour. You're going to start with your bristles down vertical, pressed all the way down, and lift the bristles up as you create an arc. You might need to rotate the brush in your hand to achieve this. Then you're going to use your smaller round brush, mix up a thicker black, and you're going to create the fish head, starting with just the tip of your brush and then press the bristles all the way down to create a V shape. Just fill in the little white gap in between the V if you have one. Add 2 eyes. Switch to your fine point or rigger brush and create a little detail for the mouth and whiskers. Then back to your round, smaller brush, you're going to mix up a wet grey, starting with the tip of your brush and then pressing down the bristles in an L-shaped pattern, lifting the bristles at the end. It doesn't matter if you don't get a perfect L shape. Remember, the fins will change shape as they move around in the water. Then create 2 back fins, pressing down with the bristles of your brush, lifting at the end, and create 2 more at the tail. Add a little more liquid so that you can create a nice full tail right at the end. Then you want to switch again to your fine point or your rigger brush with a little bit of a darker, thicker consistency of watercolour. You're going to create the scale pattern using curves that run all the way down the body. Once you get to the end, change the direction of the curve so that they cross over, completing the scale pattern. Add a little bit of a darker, thicker black ridge line. And then you're done. I've got a coloured version that I'll put up on Instagram and Facebook for you to see as well if you want to try these in colour.